In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Pythagorean Theorem to find a missing side of a right triangle. So let's begin by looking at your diagram. The diagram has given you two sides out of the three. Hopefully you can tell which one is leg A, B, and C. Leg A, we don't know, so that will remain as variable A. Leg B is 4 centimeters, and hypotenuse C is 8.5 centimeters. Carefully substitute those values into the formula of Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And now go ahead and carefully do your calculations. Remember, 4 squared is the same as asking you 4 times 4. 8.5 squared is the same as asking you 8.5 times 8.5. Let's carefully do our calculations. In order to get a squared by itself, we must get rid of this positive 16, and we do that by subtracting 16. After subtracting 16, we get a squared is equal to 56.25. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know right off the top of my head what two numbers multiplied together will give me 56.25. So I'm going to go ahead and take the square root of each side. And therefore, leg A is 7.5 centimeters.